Hey guys, it's Sandy, and in today's video, Minnie is going to be painting a stunning Disney's Beauty and the Beast nail art design in celebration of the new live-action movie that just hit theaters. So sit back and relax as you watch her paint this inspiring design.
Hi, it's Minnie. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our uploads. Let's start by applying a base coat to protect our natural nails. Next, pick your favorite color and paint the top half of your nail. The line doesn't need to be neat because we'll be covering the area with a glitter polish. Apply some onto a makeup sponge and dab onto the nail. Cover the entire nail with a top coat and that's it. Now moving on to the design inspired by Belle's dress. You can start by creating two round shapes side by side. Don't worry about perfecting the shapes. We're going to apply some glitter using a striping brush or a dotting tool. Place a rhinestone and a stud in between two round shapes using top coat as a glue. The sparkly dress design is complete. Up next is a rose stained glass design. Start by applying your favorite glitter polish using a makeup sponge. If you prefer not to use too much glitter, you can use a white nail polish instead. Apply top coat to smooth out the surface, and once it's dry, start painting a rose using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish or acrylic paint. Begin with a small swirl in the middle, then add two half circles on either side to make a bow shape. Do the same on the top and bottom as well. Then start drawing some bigger petals. This time you can create a pointy tip in the middle to make it look more realistic. Add more petals to fill the gaps, then add some leaves. Draw some crossing lines for the stained glass part. Finish the hand painting by outlining the nail. Let's add some colors to the design. Mix a small amount of nail polish into a clear nail polish to create some transparent shades. This way you will need only one color polish to create a colorful stained glass. Do the same for the rose petals and the leaves. Cover up the bumpy surface with some top coat to complete. The last design is hand-painted Belle and Chip. To create a pale skin color, mix a small amount of brown, yellow, and red acrylic paint into a large amount of white. Add some water to make it smooth. Start with the outline of the head, then fill the inside. Let's paint the neck and shoulder at the same time. Apply a few layers to make it opaque. Start drawing the details using dark brown acrylic paint. If the lines didn't turn out as you hoped, you can paint over it with skin color paint. Let's start painting Chip in the empty space. Add some red to the skin color and sponge it onto the cheeks. Paint everything that is white at the same time. Now paint everything yellow. Paint the hair in one color first, and then draw some lines using a lighter color to create some highlights. Draw some hairlines back on, then move on to chip. Use a dark pink for the lips and light brown for the eyes. Apply a top coat to seal the design and all done! I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to tag us when you recreate our designs. We would love to see them. And for more fun nail art tutorials, click the I button on the top. Thank you for watching!